You have a complicated decision to make. You have looked at all the logic, you have weighed the pros and cons, you made the yes column, the no column. Definitely don't think this is the right decision. Yeah, I'm going to go do it. And still the decision seems unsettled. Here's something that has worked really well for me. Walk away. Life is jam-packed with complicated decisions, and they can cause stress and anxiety at work and in our personal lives. And often the pressure is on. Someone is in front of you and they want you to make that decision right now, especially if it's a salesperson. And I have found that walking away is a great tool in how to make a better decision. Now, when I say walk away, I don't mean don't make the decision. I'm talking about giving yourself time and space and a quiet place in which you can make that decision. Get up, get away from that desk, get outside of that cubicle, find a place that is nurturing to you. And then think through the issues from multiple dimensions. And when I say walk away, granted it is a figurative term, but it also is literal. I have found that some of my best decisions have been made while I'm walking, or working out at the gym, or gardening, or engaged in some type of physical activity that keeps me busy while I'm mentally processing the pros and cons of the decision to be made. And here's another advantage to walking away, giving yourself time and space. Because then you can reach out to your own personal board of directors. You wondering what that is? Simply put, it's your own advisory council. If you want to know more about it, I'm attaching that video. It is true that some decisions need to be made in the moment, especially if there's an emergency or if there's a threat. But I have found that most decisions are better off if you walk away and create that time and space. And what I have found more often than not is that when I give myself that time and space, I come back and decide to go forward with whatever is being requested. But I can do so with a greater commitment and a sense of confidence because I walked away, thought it over in my own peace with my own board of directors, and have come to a conclusion in which I have confidence. If you like this, hit that like button, please share and subscribe. I do offer individual coaching on career growth, leadership development, new leader mentorship, and workplace satisfaction, as well as consulting on strategy development, cultural change, and team performance. If you're interested, you can contact me using the email in the description. Thank you.